Hello everyone, I am Sulkshana. I have been attending Sunmeet's workshops for the past 1.5 years, and I have benefited immensely from them. I got to know her from Wellcure and have been regularly attending her workshops ever since. I have tried a lot of her recipes on skin and hair care, and I must say they've been amazing. I'm even part of her beauty club, the WhatsApp group, where she shares her morning rituals and beauty routines and her lifestyle every morning. And it just gives us a little impetus in the morning to start our day with self-care as well. So I'm loving it. And I feel so good doing it. Her recipes and tips are deeply researched, and one feels confident in believing and trying what she recommends. Knowing her has brought so much knowledge into our life, and I feel so thankful for being part of this group. Me and my family are also using Nature products, and they're really fresh and natural. Sunmeet is a charming woman and of great substance, I must say. It's a pleasure knowing her and being part of a natural lifestyle and wellness journey. Thank you so much, Sunmeet, and thank you so much, Wellcure.